welcome to the video. Today I'm going to kindergarten.
Welcome to Slim Thick Curls, Beauty and Lifestyle.
Hey Sunshines, welcome back to my channel. I'm Slim Thick Curls, but you can call me Trina. If you watched my last video, get it all done, back to school prep, shopping, and cleaning video, then you already know that my 4-year-old daughter, Monet, is about to start kindergarten. I'm going to take you on a quick journey of her first day of kindergarten and all the prep work from the night before. So I purchased a Cricut about 6 months ago, and this is my very first time using it. I didn't know 100% what I was doing, but I figured it out for my baby. I labeled any and everything I could think of for her to take to school, from her water bottle all the way down to her gym shoes. I was determined to have her organized and ready for school with a little customization to make her feel extra special, and it worked. When she woke up in the morning for her first day of school, she was so happy to see everything with her name on it. She kept jumping up and down and gave me the biggest hug ever and said, "Thank you, Mommy," over and over again. It was definitely a priceless moment for me. Now, this video is not sponsored, but I have to give a huge shout out to Jess and Brittany from D-Town Vinyl in Detroit, Michigan. I couldn't have successfully completed all of Monet's customizations for school without their help. Their customer service was top-notch as they took their time to walk me through how to do a heat press and use heat transfer vinyl, because not only was this my first time using a Cricut, this was my first time doing a heat press too. Now, please don't ask me why I decided to learn 2 brand new things literally the night before the first day of school. I don't know what I was thinking, because I was literally up throughout most of the night trying to get everything together. But it was worth it. And thank goodness for Amazon Prime, because I ordered this Dododum mini heat press machine. It came overnight. It was way cheaper than getting the Cricut version, and most importantly, it got the job done. I got this vinyl from Hobby Lobby, which worked out perfectly for labeling all of her snack and lunch containers, and all of the other vinyls that you saw I got from D-Town Vinyl.
But she don't, it's cool, I'm not mad. Flip phone back in 07, texted me after class, stood there waiting by my locker, go in and out of my...
I finished up by adding her name to her shirt for art class and the back of her gym shoes for PE, because they have to keep their shoes at school. Now it's time to get her new school clothes organized and pick out her first outfit for kindergarten. She's going to wear this outfit for her first day of school, and to help keep me organized so that I don't have to pick out a new outfit every night for her, I'm going to take one of my Wonder Hanger Max hangers from my closet so I can have a week's worth of outfits already set aside for her. And this worked out so well, I'm going to use another one and just have her set up for 2 weeks at a time.
Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to kindergarten, and I'm going to Miss, and she's my teacher, and I'm going there, and we haven't been there, so we're gonna go there, and I'll let you guys let me go. Bye. Subscribe and smash that notification.
Aw, thanks for saying that, Boo. Well, Mommy was going to ask you, what are you looking forward to today at school? What are you excited about?
Whoa! About Miss.
You excited about your teacher?
And I'll see you there when I get to Miss.
Alright.
And smash that notification bell. And make a thumbs up for this video.
school today?
Yeah.
Come here, let me see what's on your head. Turn around so I can see what's on your head. Oh, did you make that?
Yeah.
You did?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's walk to the car. Do you want to tell Mommy how your first day of school was?
Yes.
Okay, let me hear about it.
Hi guys. There's still some more talking, and I had fun and I played, and then I go outside and play at the playground, and then I go down the ladder, and then I went back in, and then I had a lollipop.
Oh, a lollipop?
And I won another treat, and see you guys.
So what's this on your
Later.
head?
This is a raccoon.
A raccoon?
All about raccoons. I already watched that.
What did you learn about the raccoons?
I learned about drinking.
You learned about drinking for the raccoons, or you're talking about you're thirsty?
For the raccoons.
Okay. Anything else you want to share before I turn the video off?
No, but don't turn the video off yet. I'm gonna
Okay.
make the end. Bye guys. See you later. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye and smash that notification bell.
Toodles. Mwah.